In this video, you'll learn how to merge layers in your design document using the Layers panel. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to combine multiple layers into one clean, organized layer. Let's start by making sure you can actually see the Layers panel. If it's already visible on your screen, you're good to go and can move on. If not, look at the top of your application window and find the Window menu. Click on Window, and in the drop-down list that appears, look for Layers. Click on Layers, and the Layers panel will appear, usually on the right-hand side of your workspace. Having this panel open is essential because it's where you'll manage all your layers and perform the merge action. If you're working with a lot of layers, you might want to expand the panel a bit or resize it so you can see more of the list at once. This can make it easier to find exactly what you want to merge. Now that the Layers panel is open, take a moment to review the layers in your document. Each row you see represents a layer, which might contain shapes, text, images, or other objects. Before merging, it's a good idea to double check that everything you want to combine is on the correct layers. If necessary, you can drag objects between layers in advance, so your merge will give you the result you expect. Next, you'll select the layers you want to merge. In the Layers panel, click on the first layer you want to include. If you only want to merge a couple of specific layers, hold down the modifier key your system uses for multiple selection and click on each additional layer you want to add to the selection. You'll see that all selected layers are highlighted in the panel. If you want to select a continuous range of layers, click the first one in the range, then use the range select method your system supports to select the last one, and everything in between will be highlighted. Take a moment here to confirm that only the layers you intend to merge are selected. Once you merge them, they will be combined into a single layer, and while you can often step back with an undo command, it's best to be sure before you proceed. With your layers selected, look to the top right corner of the Layers panel. You'll see a small icon that opens the panel menu. Click that icon to reveal a list of options related to layer management. In that menu, find and choose the option labeled Merge Layers. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do this, the application will merge all the objects from the selected layers into one new combined layer. In your Layers panel, you'll now see a single layer where there used to be several. All of the content from those original layers still exists, but it's now grouped together on this one merged layer, which can make managing complex documents much simpler. At this point, you might want to rename the merged layer to something meaningful so you can recognize it easily later. This simple merging process is a great way to reduce clutter in your Layers panel and keep your document organized as your project grows.